Hello and assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Mocha Dishes. Today we are going to be making cheesy garlic bread. Now we are going to grab 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour and add it into your stand mixer.
أفضل الذكر دليلي بينات محكمات حولت مجرى الزمان مؤمن هذه سبيلي أفضل الذكر دليلي بينات محكمات حولت مجرى الزمان حافظ حول صحابي لمنا خير الكتاب.
Once you see that the mixture is thoroughly mixed, you're going to grab 1/3 cup of olive oil and add it into your stand mixer.
شمس روحي وحي ربي جنتي وحياة قلبي فرحة القرآن.
Now I'm just adding oil to a large bowl. You could use any sort of spray on grease or butter, just anything that doesn't let the dough stick on to the bowl. And I'm just going to let this rest for 10 minutes. Now that I've seen that the dough has risen, I'm gonna lay it flat onto my counter and section it into 2 pieces.
شكرهم لي فيه فخر فلهم كل امتناني من إليه وجهوني وبحب علموني شكرهم لي فيه فخر فلهم كل امتناني مسجد الغالب بن عوف ملتقى العمل الدؤوبي فيه رباني شيوخي.
Now I add a little bit of flour and I flatten it out.
شمس روحي وحي ربي جنتي وحياة قلبي فرحة القرآن.
On a large pan lined with parchment paper, I lay my flattened dough out. Now, just for the toppings, I'm grabbing half a brick of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of butter, and around 5 to 6 cloves of minced garlic, and I'm just going to mix them all together.
وحي خلاقي مساري مجمع القرآن داري فخر مسجدنا.
Now I just spread my mixture all throughout my dough and add some cream cheese.
مجمع القرآن داري فخر مسجدنا ابن عوف مجمع الرب كياني ها أنا زاد طموحي في حمى خير الصروح فيه إبداعي توالى وتنوع في اتزاني. شمس روحي وحي ربي جنتي وحياة قلبي فرحة القرآن حبي نور دربي وأمان.
And now you're going to leave it in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After I let it sit for 5 minutes, I just cut it up and it's ready to eat. Another way to make this garlic bread mixture is to add meat on top. Around 7 minutes after it has been in the oven, you're going to want to open it and put any sort of meat you'd like. I added chicken breast. And there you have it, 2 ways to make delicious garlic bread.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Bye!
بينات محكمات حولت مجرى الزمان حافظ حول صحابي لمنا خير الكتاب واقتداء بابن عوف في السباق إلى الجنان. شمس روحي وحي ربي جنتي وحياة قلبي فرحة القرآن حبي نور دربي وأمان.